Well, here is something that's going to help me for my driving lessons, most for sure. It's a Carrera Vengeance E-Spec that I got for a bargain. This thing's going to be literally cleaned and sold on. It is really good fun to drive. Not drive, but like ride around. Its top speed is probably about 15 miles per hour. The suspension has lockout, which is pretty good. E-brakes, and it comes with a 8-speed shifter, which changes the gears. It's quite small, this one. It's quite low down than I thought. But this battery does last quite a while. It's a good battery. Yeah, I've been riding it a bit today, so. And it's got this control panel which shows you how fast, that's slow, that's a bit faster, and that's full speed. This is the battery gauge, and that's on and off. Turn it on. Yeah, and then you can change your mode here whenever. Let's have the seat changed. It's 27.5 inch. And it's actually not quite that shabby, considering what you get. Now, I've found out there's a noise on it somewhere from, I think it's coming from this reflector, though I'm not sure. It came with full mud guards, which I removed the rear one because it was annoying. And yeah, that's the Carrera Vengeance E-Spec. Might do a riding video soon, but yeah, thanks for watching.